Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Capturing Guys. This is Jilan. We'll discuss about Samsung A60. Before that, get into the video. Since a month, Samsung releasing a lot of mobiles. Like it has released the mid-range A50 recently, and before that M10 and M20, which was released a month ago. But Samsung is launching in all over ranges, like a budget range, mid-range, and again the higher end, which is like S10, S10 plus, all this. Okay, so let's get into the video. Samsung A60 will have the display type Super AMOLED and all 1080 into 2340 resolution, 6.7 inches screen, very big screen compared to the A50. This is the features which Samsung A60 will have on the display. Now, performance, Samsung this time providing a Snapdragon 675, which is a superb chipset compared to their own Exynos chipset, which they have own manufacturing. Graphics they are using this time is 612 GPU, which is better than the one what they are using, 512 GPU. And processor would be octa-core 2 GHz dual core. So this all belongs to the Snapdragon 675 chipset, which is good in performance, and it's one of the best processors currently available. In A60 camera, Samsung is providing a front camera, which is a 32 megapixel camera, and rear camera we have 3 cameras there, 30 megapixel and 5 and 8 megapixel camera, which is good, and 5 and 8 are mostly for the wide angle lens.